name's Jack, and join me on my short ride on my Souke cycling set. It's often argued that the bike is one of the most important inventions in human history. Reason being was that it allowed not just rich, but anyone to travel much further across to the next village, which helped local businessmen, helped genetic diversity. The bike has been essentially unchanged in the last 100 years. Oh yes, there's more aero, carbon, new materials, but if you showed someone a bike, like this bike now I'm riding, someone 100 years ago they'd identify it as a bike. It wouldn't be alien to them. It might look a bit weird, but essentially it is the same. And I think there's some purity in that, as in it hasn't changed and you can still get out and explore. I mean, I'm going for a ride now, but with no particular destination. I'm just out. Go around my local roads on a very nice summer's day.
I just thought I'd drop in here to talk about the actual kit itself, and so far on the sort of 5 or 6 rides I've done with the kit, it feels very premium in the materials used, and the seams are very well thought out. And some of the logos and the sort of reflective parts and little details, I was a little bit worried about the washing of it and how well that would do over time, but so far it's absolutely perfect. It's a very breathable material. It's quite a thick jersey, which I was a little bit worried about in the summer, but it's breathable. It's got nice breathable vents down the side, and it works really well. The fit for the jersey it's not like a skin tight pro fit, but it's not like a baggy, that you can feel fluttering in the wind. It's that perfect fit between the two, and that means you can you don't look like you're on a pro ride, and if you're like going to the city or the town, you can perfectly just go about your business and not look silly. It's really nice colours. The colours really pop, and and really nice choice of colours as well on the site. But yeah, I'm really enjoying this kit.